this one's good here. I like this one.
Wildfire mitigation is a top priority for Santa Clara County parks. Prescribed burns is an important vegetation management tool of where we can reduce the fuel load in our county parks, making our local communities safer.
Good morning, I'm Brian Christensen with Santa Clara County Parks and Recs Department. So we use two different types of prescribed fires. One is an open burn, which is where we burn the landscape so that we can bring it back to a natural fire regime. The other one is what we're doing today, and that's pile burning operations, where we go in and we manually take out the dead, dying materials, and then we burn them off when weather conditions permit.
Fire's going down. Pretty good.
If we were to get a wildfire in this area before doing any of this preparation or burn work, you're gonna have just absolute destruction in this area. Creating a fuel break along the roadway not only is giving fire resources an opportunity to actually defend and hold this ridgetop, but also protecting community members if they have to have emergency access or egress out of this area.
Wildfires are prevalent all throughout California. We've had an increase of large acreage of fires. So in this area, we're actually taking it and we're trying to reduce the severity when a fire comes through.
All of us as park rangers are wildland firefighters, so we go through quite a bit of training as far as how to be safe on the fire line, how to use equipment properly, fighting your way out if you get caught, having escape routes. So there's a lot of training that goes into it for us as park rangers.
Check your friends, check yourself. If you start seeing them do things with the saws or just showing fatigues, tap them out, let them get some rest, hydrate up.
It's honestly probably months and months of planning doing this, as far as prepping the land, getting all of our paperwork and permits in line, coordinating with other agencies and departments like Santa Clara County Fire Department, CAL FIRE, and kind of all coming together to accomplish this objectives.
Santa Clara County Parks has a long-term partnership with organizations like CAL FIRE and Santa Clara County Fire Department to bring good fire to our parks.
We like to promote the good smoke. This time of year when it's in the wintertime, where we have rains, we have cooler temperatures, we have light winds, we want folks to see that there's smoke in the environment.
Up here especially, a lot of the neighbors are concerned. They're driving down the road, they see fire on the side of the road, your heart rate starts beating a little faster, right? You get nervous, hey, are we gonna be okay up here? The thing to remember is we have a plan in place, so everything is set up to be as safe as possible.
What folks don't get to see is the long-term process that it is. We've been out here a couple months now. We've seen the before pictures, and then next year, after we get some rains, the regrowth in spring, we get to come out and we get to see what our hard work has done. And hopefully those neighbors that are driving by on the road will be able to benefit from that and see the same thing and know that we actually care and that we're doing our best to try and reduce those fuel loads up against their neighborhood.
Santa Clara County Parks will provide public notice to the community about prescribed fires on our website, parkhere.org, on social media, or on Nextdoor.
When you do see some of these fires going on, please slow down. If you have any questions, feel free to ask any firefighter that's out there. They'll go ahead and turn you over to the incident commander, and they can explain what we're doing and how we are trying to promote good fire, good smoke, and healthy forests.
Santa Clara County Parks is where everyone belongs. 55,000 acres, 28 parks. It has something for everybody. It's preserving the natural habitat and connecting us all.
Anything else to add?
That's it.
All right, pitter patter, let's get at her.
See you later, alligator.